news.
This summer, Fox Animation Domination has a case
Are you winking at me?
of the Mondays.
Bang!
With the new series Housebroken.
It tickles. Honey, highly recommend.
And a new season of Duncanville.
Thanks for coming. I love being famous.
Fox Animation Domination Continuation, Monday, May 31st on Fox.
Wanna grab pizza?
Bad move, guys. Get a freshly made footlong from Subway instead. Like a classic Italian BMT stacked with fresh veggies. There's a Subway 3 blocks from here.
Choose better, be better. And now save when you order in the app.
Subway!
This is a weekly coordinated test of the emergency alert system. Kstu Fox 13 serves the state of Utah. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This is this test of the emergency alert system.
Hey, next girl, you talking on me? I'm just went crazy on him.
Crime Scene Kitchen. God help us all. Your job is to discover the mystery dessert and then bake it.
I'm freaking out.
It looked like they had dragged it behind a truck for an hour.
Crime Scene Kitchen premieres Wednesday, May 26th on Fox.
This is a payday bar. It's got tons of peanuts and a caramel core that get the job done. So you can think of it as a tool to be kept here, or even here, but definitely not here. It's not a pencil, people. Payday. Get to it.
At Best